Volkswagen engine longevity. How long can you expect IT to last? Volkswagen engines are known for their reliability and performance, making them a popular choice for many drivers. The lifespan of a Volkswagen engine depends on factors like maintenance, driving habits, and environmental conditions. Proper engine care can maximize longevity, keeping your Volkswagen performing at its best for years. Average lifespan. Volkswagen engines typically last between 150,000 to 200,000 miles with proper maintenance and care. Impact of driving conditions. Engine longevity is influenced by factors such as driving habits, climate, and road conditions. Regular maintenance. Routine services, including oil changes, fluid checks, and air filter replacements, significantly contribute to extending engine life. Driving style. Smooth driving with minimal aggressive acceleration and braking promotes longevity, while harsh driving can accelerate engine wear. Maintenance records. Keeping a detailed service history can help identify potential issues early and maintain engine performance. Engine type variations. Engine longevity varies by diesel, turbocharged, or naturally aspirated model. Wear and tear components. Parts like the timing belt, turbocharger, and injectors may need replacement, affecting engine life. Environmental factors. Extreme temperatures and harsh weather may require more maintenance to preserve engine longevity. Quality of parts. Genuine Volkswagen parts ensure better compatibility, durability, and a longer engine lifespan. Signs of wear. Unusual sounds, high oil consumption, or poor performance may signal the need for early diagnosis. Conclusion. With proper care, a Volkswagen engine can exceed 150,000 miles, ensuring reliability and performance. Regular maintenance, mindful driving habits, and early attention to any issues can significantly extend engine life. Staying proactive ensures your Volkswagen runs smoothly, making it a worthwhile investment.